Hey guys, welcome back. Quick update for everyone, just kind of a little bit of what to expect. First and foremost, I want to thank everyone. We're at like 1,540 subscribers, so that's absolutely amazing. Never thought I'd actually get anywhere near that when I started doing this, so I appreciate everyone. Kind of wanted to tell you about some of the videos that are in the works that I just haven't finished up yet. The first video that I've got is I've got a Hellcat blower in my possession. Been taking that apart, cleaning it up, checking the rotors, checking the bearings. Go through a little bit about what is needed to put that on a 5.7 or 6.4, so look out for that video. I got another video that I got in the works. Also, we're rebuilding a 6.4 motor for someone. He basically blew the motor up, cracked the piston, so we're in the process of boring it out. Forged pistons, rods, stage 3 Texas speed cam, 1000 FIC injectors. I'm not sure if he's going to go with the 85 or not. I don't think so, but we're working on that. We're just waiting for a couple of parts to come in. The block's already disassembled. We're just waiting for it to get bored out, and then we got to reinstall the parts. I also got a new vehicle. Actually, technically it's the wifey's vehicle, but it's a Dodge Durango RT 2023. So I am expecting to mod that up a little bit. First thing we're probably going to do is put 6-piston Brembos on it. So that'll be a video to look out for as well pretty soon. Another video I'm also going to be doing is based on the feedback that I got from Instagram. I did a little poll. A lot of you guys want to hear about why E85 versus 91. I'm going to be doing a video on that. Plan on doing a video reviewing the Scat Pack for all of my people who are looking into getting Scat Packs. I do have a personal Scat Pack that's bagged. It's on E85 headers. So just kind of giving you a review, showing you guys what that's like, maybe put in some costs, things like that. I'm going to be doing a Dodge Durango review as well, go over all the cool things that we have on the Durango. It's pretty nice. Wireless CarPlay is cool. Just figured that out. So I'm also going to go over mods that you should not do to try to get more performance out of your car, so help you guys save some money. Throttle body spacers is not one of them. Actually, throttle body spacers is one of them that you should not be buying. So I hate to break it to some of you guys. Also going to be doing a video on mods you should do. Now, there are some mods that you should do to the 5.7 that are really beneficial that might not be as beneficial on a 6.4, so I'll go over that as well. For all of you Hellcat guys that are following the channel, I should be doing a Trackhawk pretty soon. So there's a lot of things that are in the works that I've kind of started recording, just haven't really finished them up, so I'm hoping to really dive into that. Also, for all my guys who like to basically keep your cars looking good, I'm going to be doing some polishing and some waxing work on my wife's Durango, so I can show you guys how to basically get all those imperfections and swirls out of your paint, make it looking crisp. I did just recently wax my entire car with paste wax, not the spray-on crap that you can get from chemical guys or whatever. So I plan on doing that as well. So it's probably at least 5 or 6 videos that I'm hoping to hit the channel within the next month, hopefully. So if you're still watching by this, just know that I appreciate every one of you. If you need anything, just hit me up on Instagram. It's the best way to contact me. I also just started a Facebook group just because it's getting too manageable. It's too hard to manage my growing Instagram group. So a lot of stuff gets lost that I have to scroll up for. So moving it over to Facebook, opening it up to everyone, not just those that want to be tuned, but everyone else as well who are looking to get tuned, just have questions, want to see results. I've seen a lot of great stuff in our group chat. You guys have been wonderful, just kind of being supportive, answering questions, guys leaning on the guys who need help, leaning on the guys who have done it before. So it's been great. So here's some new content. Catch you guys later.